After testing the Edwards 882, I figured maybe it's time for me to test this item. This is an old Edwards Adaptahorn. I do not know the actual model. Oh, actually it seems to be under here. It's upside down. No, not actually. It's just talking about the safety warnings or sound. How loud the sound is at a specific distance. Oh. There we are. And here's the back of the device. This little part here is what vibrates the big piece of metal. Either that or it's like a balancer of some kind, because this is the actual part that this motor here is what helps drive the noise. All right, and here we go with the test, just on continuous.